Leopard. The leopard is one of the 5 extant species in the genus Panthera, a member of the Felidae. It occurs in a wide range in sub-Saharan Africa, in small parts of Western and Central Asia, on the Indian subcontinent to Southeast and East Asia. It is listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List because leopard populations are threatened by habitat loss and fragmentation, and are declining in large parts of the global range. In Hong Kong, Singapore, Kuwait, Syria, Libya, Tunisia and most likely in Morocco, leopard populations have already been extirpated. Contemporary records suggest that the leopard occurs in only 25% of its historical global range. Leopards are hunted illegally, and their body parts are smuggled in the wildlife trade for medicinal practices and decoration. Compared to other wild cats, the leopard has relatively short legs and a long body with a large skull. Its fur is marked with rosettes. It is similar in appearance to the jaguar, but has a smaller, lighter physique, and its rosettes are generally smaller, more densely packed and without central spots. Both leopards and jaguars that are melanistic are known as black panthers. The leopard is distinguished by its well-camouflaged fur, opportunistic hunting behavior, broad diet, strength, and its ability to adapt to a variety of habitats ranging from rainforest to steppe, including arid and montane areas. It can run at speeds of up to 58 km per hour. The earliest known leopard fossils excavated in Europe are estimated 600,000 years old, dating to the late early Pleistocene. Leopard fossils were also found in Japan. Characteristics. The leopard's fur is generally soft and thick, notably softer on the belly than on the back. Its skin color varies between individuals from pale yellowish to dark golden with dark spots grouped in rosettes. Its belly is whitish and its ringed tail is shorter than its body. Its pupils are round. Leopards living in arid regions are pale cream, yellowish to ochraceous and rufous in color. Those living in forests and mountains are much darker and deep golden. Spots fade toward the white underbelly and the insides and lower parts of the legs. Rosettes are circular in East African leopard populations, and tend to be squarish in Southern African and larger in Asian leopard populations. The fur tends to be grayish in colder climates, and dark golden in rainforest habitats. The pattern of the rosettes is unique in each individual. Its fur tends to grow longer in colder climates. The guard hairs protecting the basal hairs are short, 3 to 4 mm in face and head, and increase in length toward the flanks and the belly to about 25 to 30 mm. Juveniles have woolly fur, and appear to be dark-colored due to the densely arranged spots. Its white-tipped tail is about 60 to 100 cm long, white underneath and with spots that form incomplete bands toward the tail's end. The leopard's rosettes differ from those of the jaguar, which are darker and with smaller spots inside. The cheetah has small round spots without any rosettes. Skull. The largest skull recorded for a black panther from India, recorded in 1920, measured 28 cm in basal length, and 20 cm in breadth, and weighed 1,000 grams. The skull of a West African panther measured 28.6 cm in basal length, and 18.1 cm in breadth, and weighed 790 grams. Size and weight. The leopard is sexually dimorphic, males are larger and heavier than females. It is muscular, with relatively short limbs and a broad head. Males stand 60 to 70 cm at the shoulder, while females are 57 to 64 cm tall. The head and body length ranges between 90 and 196 cm with a 66 to 102 cm long tail. Sizes vary geographically. Males weigh 37 to 90 kg, and females 28 to 60 kg. Usually, leopards are larger in areas where they are at the top of the food chain, without competitive restriction from larger predators such as lions and tigers. Some leopards in North Africa allegedly were as large as Barbary lions. In 1913, an Algerian newspaper reported a leopard killed that allegedly measured about 275 cm in total length. To compare, male lions measure 266 to 311 cm from head to end of tail. The maximum weight of a wild leopard is about 96 kg, recorded in southern Africa. It measured 262 cm. An Indian leopard killed in Himachal Pradesh in 2016 measured 261 cm with an estimated weight of 78.5 kg, was perhaps the largest known wild leopard. Variant coloration. Melanistic leopards are also called black panthers. Melanism in leopards is inherited as a recessive trait relatively to the spotted form. Interbreeding in melanistic leopards produces a significantly smaller litter size than is produced by normal pairings. The black panther is common foremost in tropical and subtropical moist forests like the equatorial rainforest of the Malay Peninsula and the tropical rainforest on the slopes of some African mountains such as Mount Kenya. Between January 1996 and March 2009, leopards were photographed at 16 sites in the Malay Peninsula in a sampling effort of more than 1,000 camera trap nights. Of the 445 photographs of melanistic leopards, 410 were taken in study sites south of the Kra Isthmus, where the non-melanistic morph was never photographed. These data indicate the near fixation of the dark allele in the region. The expected time for the fixation of this recessive allele due to genetic drift alone ranged from about 1,100 years to about 100,000 years. Thanks for watching.